Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best record player reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Victrola 8-in-1 Bluetooth record player. The excellence of this player starts with how well designed it is. It has a vintage design that should look great in any living room or multimedia room. With vintage looks and modern features, this turntable plays and records your vinyls to MP3, Mac/PC software and USB cable included. It has a CD and cassette player, FM radio, Bluetooth, AUX and headphone jack for audio streaming from your smartphone. Get it up and running in minutes. Retro looks combined with the convenience of modern technology make this record player a great value, ideal for beginners and vintage enthusiasts alike. Don't be fooled by the classic design though, this player is pretty high-tech. As mentioned, it can play vinyl, CDs and tapes, but it also serves as a Bluetooth speaker and FM radio. It has an RCA output for external speakers and a 3.5mm AUX and for wired playback, all usable with a remote control. Of course, you're likely looking at this player for its vinyl playing abilities. It's a 3-in-1 player that can handle your 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM records, all in a relatively affordable machine. Number 2. Our second best pick is Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO, Audiophile Turntable. Thanks to its contemporary design and incredible craftsmanship, this turntable will appeal to people looking to experience high-quality audio with a reasonable price tag. Available in a variety of colors, this turntable features an 8.6-inch, one-piece carbon fiber tonearm, the connection point between the record player and the stylus, aka the needle that rests against the record, with an integrated head shell, weighted end piece on the tone arm to help it stay in place. It also offers manual speed selection, 33 1/3, 45 or 78 RPM, and is built around a heavy stamped stem platter, the place where the record rests, with damping made of TPE, a durable rubber-like polymer. In other words, the well-made individual components of this turntable provide really good quality sound when put together. The unit also takes advantage of modern technology's advancements in its motor suspension, height-adjustable feet and record platter, all of which help to improve the audio quality you'll hear from every record. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vert vertical vinyl record player. The vertical design of this record player offers both a mid-century vintage and ultra-modern appearance merged into one tabletop unit that positions vertically to showcase each record being played. In addition to serving as a full-feature record player, it offers an FM radio, alarm clock, USB port and line and jack, as well as Bluetooth compatibility. Vert has a vintage style reminiscent of nostalgic mid-century modern design with a modern twist. This unique vertical record player's orientation turns your favorite records into a focal point. Show off your record collection in style while listening in with high-definition stereo output. The record player takes advantage of an upgraded Audio-Technica at 3600L cartridge and a perfectly balanced and counterweighted tone arm. The turntable, with its built-in speakers, is accented with a smooth-grained, ash tree hardwood veneer. Play your favorite records at 33 1/3, 45 or 78 RPM, or connect any other audio-generating device via Bluetooth, USB, or a 3.5mm audio jack. This record player's base is made using real handcrafted ash tree wood veneer, which gives it an amazing look and feel. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Audio-Technica at LP7 Turntable. A more serious audiophile, who owns quality speakers and is looking for a higher-end listening experience, will appreciate what this turntable offers. While a level up in price compared to others on this list, this is a premium quality turntable that offers a sleek, modern black design. As a company, Audio-Technica has been around since 1962, so it's been manufacturing beautifully made phonograph cartridges and turntables for decades. The company tapped into this design experience when creating this record player. The model offers a fully manual, belt-drive turntable that utilizes the company's superior VM520EB dual-moving magnet cartridge, with an aluminum die-cast head shell and 0.3 by 0.7 mm elliptical bonded stylus. The head shell attaches to a J-shaped tone arm, using a gimbal suspension system that's faithfully based on the classic AT models from the 1960s and 1970s. Its anti-resonance platter is constructed from 22 mm thick polyoxymethylene and is driven by a sensor motor that provides accurate platter rotation speed at 33 1/3 or 45 RPM. The unit also has a built-in preamp and is ready for easy connection to other home stereo components. Its design and construction quality make it an ideal turntable for any moderately serious audiophile looking to truly immerse themselves in the sounds from their favorite vinyl records. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Audio-Technica LP60X BT Bluetooth Turntable. Home users who want a high-fidelity sound for a relatively low price. This is Audio-Technica's answer to a beginner's turntable. This is a fully automatic, drive-belt stereo record player that has Bluetooth wireless connectivity built in. It easily pairs with your speakers, headphones, earbuds, or other compatible devices. Wired connectivity is also possible via RCA jacks and the supplied RCA output cable. Thanks to its CSR Bluetooth chipset, the turntable can connect to devices that support the aptX adaptive codec, which allows for enhanced sound quality. The record player's platter is made from aluminum and it comes with a felt mat. You can experience listening to your records at March 3rd 1/3 or 45 RPM in true high-fidelity audio. This turntable utilizes an Audio-Technica dual magnet phono cartridge with a replaceable diamond stylus. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.